Hi, boys and girls. We've been talking about Officer Buckle a lot during this task. So today we're going to ask and answer questions about Officer Buckle. And then you're going to do it with your own book that you're going to read. Let's start. How did Officer Buckle feel in the beginning of the story? Well, I don't know about you, but I remember Officer Buckle feeling kind of sad. Do you remember how the kids didn't listen to him? I can tell by his face that he is not very pleased. My next question is, what happened at the end of the story? Well, I'm thinking back to my story and I remember that Officer Buckle got Gloria. And in the end of the story, Officer Buckle and Gloria found out that they were a really great team. And they were going to different schools to talk about all of his safety tips. Our next question is, where is the story taking place? Well, this is a really great question. And when I was thinking back to reading the story, I discovered that there were a couple of locations. I said that some of the story happened at Officer Buckle's office. I remembered that Officer Buckle always was going to the schools, but I also remember a part where he was at his house. Do you remember that? Good. All right, boys and girls, so the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to make up our own question words. We use words like what, where, and how. But I was thinking, who? Who is a great question to ask whenever you're retelling a story. So my question to you is, who is the main character in Officer Buckle and Gloria? I'll give you a minute to think. Are you ready? Yeah, Officer Buckle. Gloria is also a main character too, because the story is mostly about them. My next question is a why question. Why was Officer Buckle upset in the middle of the story? Oh, good question. Oh, he is very angry in this picture, if you can see it. In the middle of the story, Officer Buckle felt really sad that after watching the news, everybody was only watching Gloria. So he decided he was not going to do any more safety tips with the schools because he felt like nobody was paying attention to him. That was a really sad part of the story. My next question is a when question. When did the story take place? When I thought back to all of the illustrations, because the text doesn't tell us when it happened, I remembered that he always goes to the schools. And I know that school happens during the daytime. So I said that most of this story took place during the day. Thanks for watching. Bye.